Okay, here's our video on combining like terms. And we did terms when we did expressions. So just remember, like terms can be combined. So for example, let's say we had these two terms, x plus 2x. Well, they're like terms because they both have an x. If you had one x and then you had two x's, you would have three x's. X plus 2x is 3x. They're both like terms because they both have an x. Now, over here, x plus y, they're not like terms, so they can't be combined. If you had x plus y, you can't combine them. How would you do this one? 3m minus 2m. 3m minus 2m. How would you combine those? Can they be combined? Well, they both have an m, so you can combine them. 3m minus 2m are like terms, therefore you'll get a 1m, or just an m. Okay, let's try this one now. What if you had three terms together? 2b plus 3g plus 5b. See if you can combine these terms. Well, you can combine the b's, and only the b's. You can't combine the g's. So 2b and 5b is 7b. But you can't combine the 3g's, so this would be your answer, 7b plus 3g. Now, even numbers you can combine. You've been doing that. 2 plus 5 are like terms because they're constants, and constants are numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. You can combine them. Now, what if we had 12 plus 4m minus 7 plus 8m? What if we had something like that? Can we combine these? Now we have four terms here. So you can combine, look for the constants. Here's the constants. You can combine the constants, right? And you can also combine the m's, right? So if you did the constants, you have 12 minus 7, which is 5, and 4m plus 8m, you'd have 12m. Okay, let's try one more. This one's a little tricky. So here you have a negative 3g, and then you have a positive g over here. So remember, combine what is like. Well, you can combine the negative 3g and the g. You can combine them. And just think of integers. A negative 3 plus a 1. Remember, there's a 1 next to that g. So this would be negative 2g. Now the k and the 2 you can't combine. They're not like terms, so your final answer would just be plus k plus 2. So you combine those terms. Well, that's combining like terms. Good job.